Hello guys, so I just got this iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a Ganari case for this. It also comes with a screen protector for like, I think I would say around $8 on Amazon. Um, is it a good idea to buy for that low price? And let's go ahead and find out. It's here. It is really cheap, man. Just look it up. You can go to Amazon, and this thing comes with a screen protector already. I think it comes with 3 screen protector, and there's other ones out there with the lens. I think it also has the cover for your lens, but I would not recommend that because it's gonna mess with your focus, for your camera lens. I would not add any additional glass or anything, or I would say, tempered glass out, So let's go ahead and check it out. That's what this thing has. And yeah, so you can go ahead and get this at Amazon for a really low price. And the good thing about this piece right here has that little grid on the edges. And also you have that for your camera. So it'll protect it if you just, face it down, facing the camera down. So, And then what else this thing would come with? And it even has this kit too, I think. Yeah, this is what it says on the website. So it comes with this 3 tempered glass, protector glass, I guess, for your phone. And you get this alcohol and all the other stuff. And also the good thing about this one, it comes with this already, so it's much easier for you to apply your phone and just, put it forward. And let's see how this thing fits in this iPhone 12 Pro. And let's see. Alright guys, so far so good. I mean, I put this on, it's not even that hard. All you have to do is just put this plastic piece like a kit, and then you just put your glass on top of it, and you get like perfect edging, I would say, for your glass, for tempered glass. But everything is fine. And you have this rigid over here, you see that? It protects your lens, and you have those edges. So if you want to go ahead and put your phone like that, ain't gonna get damaged, So yeah, look it up in Amazon. It's really cheap, and you get 2 more. I think, how many more do I have? I got 1. I'm sorry, I only got 1. It was 2 tempered glass that comes with it. But if you want to, you can get some more. Plus, if you get something from this company, you get discount. You get like, especially that one. I might go ahead and get that one also, and this one from this company, and I'll go ahead and check it out. And they both are direct from USA and also Canada. That's awesome. So again, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Man, this thing is nice. For what you're paying, you can get like 10 of these or 30 of these, different colors, I would say. This case here, and it can also fit perfectly for if you have I would say DJI Osmo Mobile 4, or I would say maybe 3. It can still hold it. Yeah, so, and you're not really gonna have any problem with it. So just go ahead and show it to you guys. See, and the weight isn't even that bad either, because I mean right now this phone is pretty heavy. So there you go. I mean, it's heavy. Let's go ahead and... This case is just way to go. It's not heavy. I mean, the phone itself is already heavy, but the phone cover, it is its job, especially for the price. And you get different colors. I think you can get matte color. You can also have gold, I think. I forgot it now, but because the last time I went out there and check it out, it's really nothing, you know? So yeah, this is what you can do. Interesting. And then you just take this off.